RIDGID, the #1 selling pro tile saw brand, introduces the new 7-inch tabletop wet tile saw, keeping your work area cleaner with an anti-splash system that reduces water spray by 80%. Gain better visibility of the blade and cut line alignment with a clear splash hood. Cut ceramic and porcelain tile 12-inch diagonally and rip cuts up to 24 inches using the rear support table for larger tile. It can also cut natural stone and brick pavers up to 1 1/4 inch deep. The tilting bevel table adjusts for precise 0, 22.5, and 45-degree bevel cuts, while the die-cast heavy-duty aluminum miter guide slides smoothly along the rail for diagonal cuts up to 45 degrees. Get precise, fast, and repeatable square cuts with the self-aligning True-Lock single-action T-square. And it all stays protected in the integrated roll cage, making it one of the most durable saws on the job site. And to prove it, this 7-inch saw is covered for life when you register for the industry's only lifetime service agreement. Free parts, free service, for life. RIDGID. Powerful, durable, professional.